Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Marking a milestone in the fight against COVID-19.
All right.
As a group of West Metro and Arvada firefighters bare their arms.
All right, a little poke. Boom.
To receive the first of 2 doses of a vaccine designed to prevent the coronavirus infection.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
At this immunization clinic, Jefferson County Health is using the Moderna vaccine, which, like the Pfizer version, was developed in just a few months and then tested on thousands of volunteers around the world, with the Moderna vaccine at 94% and the Pfizer at 95% effectiveness in preventing the virus. Both vaccines granted emergency use authorization by the Food and Drug Administration. In Colorado, 1,000 volunteers participated in the Moderna vaccine trial, including these 4 West Metro firefighters, all members of the same crew at Station 2.
Most of our crew was pretty excited about being able to participate in that study, mostly because we wanted to be able to help science and help a vaccine trial that could potentially fix the COVID problem that we have globally.
Personally, I participated in the study because I think that my concern was, even though if I got COVID, I would most likely be fine. But I would be worried that I would bring the virus home to my family, to my wife, to my daughter, to my parents, to my wife's parents. That was all really concerning to me.
Engine 2, full victim.
I was also concerned that in our role, if I were asymptomatically infected or pre-symptomatically infected, I was worried that while we were going on calls to help people, that we could actually be the vector of transmission. So kind of our overarching mission of the fire service is to be able to help people, and I didn't want to be part of the problem in that sense, because we do have so much direct interaction with the community.
Because the studies were blind, with some volunteers receiving the vaccine and others a placebo, participants didn't know for sure if they got the real thing, although some had telltale signs.
The first dose I had 0 side effects, and the second dose I had some minor chills and body aches afterwards.
For everyone, volunteering for the trial means a 2-year commitment of regular checkups and blood draws.
We committed to a 2-year trial with the idea that it's important for the scientists to also be able to understand how long the protection and the antibodies exist. The 2-year time frame will let us know how long we are protected from this virus.
And if it turns out they didn't get the real vaccine, they'll be joining other first responders in rolling up their sleeves.
If I get vaccinated, that means I can't get somebody else sick. And so if the opportunity were given, if I were in the placebo group and found out that I was eligible for the vaccine, I would absolutely do it again.
Globally, we'll be able to protect everyone around us the more people get the vaccine.
That's it.
Alrighty.
Change forms you have in your lap.